Guys and girls, what if I told you that understanding just one simple price action pattern could transform your trading results? This week, I use this strategy that I'm about to show you to catch a winning trade, and I'm about to show you how I did it step by step. Whether you are a beginner trader or an intermediate trader, make sure you watch this video to the end. So we all started doing the analysis on the daily time frame. I insist, if you are a day trader as me, you must always start doing your analysis on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame you will get the necessary information that the market will provide you for that particular day. So on the daily time frame, we can see that this market has been moving on a downtrend direction by providing us with series of lower low, lower high, and lower low by the break of this structure right here. So why did we enter a buying position by clear this market is on a downtrend direction? Now, this is a question which any intelligent and logical trader may ask his or herself, all right? Because as this market is moving on a downtrend, it is only logical for us to start looking for sales positions. And our current bias on this market is all I can say based on a downtrend direction. But let us see the information that the market did also provide on the lower time frame, particularly the 1 hour time frame. So we have noticed after the daily time frame, the nearest another time frame to go to on your top-down analysis is the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are hoping for the market first to provide us with a shift of the market structure so that we can get a confirmation of selling bias. So you can understand or you can notice, okay, daily time frame alone is not an enough conference for you to enter a sell position. You also need a series of conferences on your top-down analysis. So on the 1 hour time frame, as the market was moving in upturn direction, right here you can see we have a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And the moment the market came to retest to the previous lower high right here, the market, you can observe how the market was behaving. Now the way the market has been behaving at this point right here, it's where it gets interesting. You can see the market was having trouble in breaking past this level by providing us with weak rejections. Not one weak rejection, not two weak rejections, but three big rejections. Now you have to understand on the concept of candlesticks anatomy, you have to understand the information that you get on the candlesticks, all right? These informations, where we got on the candlestick, it showed us that the sellers are still weak on this market. So we have to not ignore any information that you get on the lower time frame. So since we said the sellers are still not strong enough, crunch the downtrend market to be bearish, and the bulls are still stronger, and the market is still moving in an upward direction. And at this point is where is our resistance level from the daily time frame. We said this trade is both the risk. And as you can see, guys and girls, the trade played out very perfectly, hitting my target at a risk reward ratio of 1:3. But what's more important, guys and girls, than the result is understanding why this strategy works and how you can consistently apply it in your trading. Think of trading like a skill, just like any other trading out there. It's not about luck or guesswork. Every successful trade is built on discipline and preparation, sticking to a well-tested plan. And as you can see, this trade alone is a proof that when you trust the process and remain patient, the market will reward you very handsomely. These were the moments where it could have been tempting to doubt the setup around right here or close the trade early, but I stayed committed to the plan. On the last video that I did upload in the last days, which the link I think I will provide in the description, I did show you how I used this strategy to get a massive winning trade in Jump 25, the pair that you are seeing on the screen all of our tech profits were hit by this strategy that I'm explaining to you in this video. Guys, I just want you to remember and note this to heart. Every trade, winner or a loser, is a stepping stone towards mastering the game. The key here, guys and girls, is to focus on the process and not get too caught up in the outcome. If you're putting in the work, learn from your trades and follow a strategy that gives you an edge, and the results, I promise you this, will follow. So don't let one bad trade or a streak of losses discourage you. This strategy, it has been proven that it works. All right, just stay in the course, stay disciplined, and trust yourself. And make sure to always keep watching the videos that I upload, because I might give you some of the premium information for free right here on YouTube. So all I can say, guys and girls, this is how you grow as a trader, and it's how you start turning your goals into reality. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more live trading insights. Let me know in the comments if you have used this strategy before or if you have any questions. I wish you the best and see you in the next video. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.